This is one of our many Cat6a cables. This is a CMR cable by Hyperline, sold on 1,000-foot reels. Some of the product features of this cable is it's designed for high performance of single cable transmission. Zigzag cable design provides excellent performance of 6 around 1 bundle transmission. Round and smooth jacket without twisted stripe. Sweep frequency up to 600 megahertz. Countdown footage markings on the jacket from 1,000 to 0. This is a 23 gauge solid bare copper. It's Cat6a CMR, unshielded twisted pair with cross filler with ripcord. For a more detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.